Got a John Deere 9000 series, 9100, 9200, 9120, 9220, 9230, 100 millimeter final drive. You can identify this with the 4 boats instead of the 6. We've been selling a lot of these carrier assemblies, or excuse me, the ring gear sets. So ring gear, planetary gear, and the pinion shaft. So these are not the right parts, but well, actually that is. There's the axle housing, and then there's the 3 boat or 6 boat. So 4 boat, 6 boat. So this is the housing and it fits. So you get ring gear, excuse me, pinion shaft, planetary gear, and a ring gear. We just keep these as sets, and some of those you can't get from Deere, so leaving those as sets. We also sell those for the let's see, this is the wide heavy gear. Here we go. So here's the narrow planetary gear for the 9000, 8-9000. Here's the wide for the 8-9000. So the easiest thing to do on those is, this is 3 inches, this is 4 inches. Pretty easy to tell which one it is. Almost all your 9000s, 120s are going to have the heavy duty, and then your 8-9000 with the 110s are going to have the narrow. And then the 100 is a little bit different than that. Either way, we can get you fixed up on those ring gear sets.